Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chua. So today I'll be talking about my hair care routine. My favorite hair care line is VIE. I have the complete hair care collection. It helped save my hair, honestly. Like, obviously I color my hair a lot. I have so much bleach in my hair, so much color damage basically, and a lot of breakage, and that's why my hair is short. But yeah, I'm still trying to get my hair back healthy, and this is actually helping it a lot. I'm telling you, it's like amazing brand, and the whole line is amazing. So I have the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, the hair mask, the hair serum, and of course the hair vitamins. And I'm telling y'all, if you don't want any of this stuff, y'all need to get these vitamins. Just saying, it's amazing. I don't know how many times I'm saying amazing, but dude, like, my hair wouldn't have been back to this state if it wasn't for this. So just saying. So if you, I don't know how many times I'm saying just saying, but I'm telling y'all, it's really good. If y'all want to see how I use this whole hair care line, just keep on watching. I don't know why my voice just went really high, but yeah, just stay there and keep watching the video. If you want to see me shampoo, well, I'm not gonna really shampoo in the camera. Y'all get it. Yeah, let's get to the video. Yeah, don't mind the messy hair. It's all about my hair, and I'm about to shampoo it and clean it. So why does it matter if it's dirty and messy right now? I use the VIE complete hair collection. I use the hair mask, the serum, the shampoo, conditioner, the vitamins, all that jazz. A while back, I didn't even use the shampoo or conditioner at first. I used the mask and the serum about like a year ago, when my hair got really fried. It got really damaged and it sucked, so I was kind of freaking out, and I needed like something to help my hair, and I was looking for a hair mask. So I was googling this shit, and VIE ended up popping up in Google. I ended up ordering their hair mask and the serum just to try it out, because I already had hair shampoo and conditioner from work, and I'd already spent money on that, and it was already a full bottle, so I was like, might as well just get the hair mask and serum, and I'll try the other stuff later. Within a month, it started getting a lot healthier, which I was really happy about, because obviously I color my hair a lot, and I don't want it damaged, and damaging it sucks, because you can't color that much, you damage it. Got the shampoo, conditioner, serum, vitamins, all that. So it's on my lap right now because I'm too lazy to pull out a table. So yeah, but I'm about to wash my hair in a second, so we're just gonna put this down, and then after I wash my hair, we're gonna talk about the products, because y'all wanna see how this shit works and see a difference. So this is my hair right now, dirty, kind of dry, a lot of dry shampoo in it. So I'm gonna use the shampoo. Is this shampoo? I'm just making sure I got the right bottle. Shampoo and conditioner. So this is the Cleanse, Defrizz, and Revitalize shampoo, and this is the Detangle, Hydrate, and Restore conditioner. Shampoo, it says VIE shampoo is a carefully selected blend of 19 natural active ingredients, completely free from harsh chemicals and synthetic fillers. Our premium shampoo strengthens, moisturizes while cleansing your scalp and nourishing your follicles. The shampoo, I have it pulled up on my phone, and it says the VIE shampoo is specifically designed to be a gentle cleanser and a liquid hair vitamin that can be applied directly to your scalp for fast absorption, which is really awesome for my hair, because since I always color my hair a lot and really often, and I'm really worried about that damage, this shampoo really helps that a lot. It helps it from like repairing itself from being damaged, basically, is what I'm trying to say. Like my hair right now, like my, y'all are like, oh, she's Who cares? And then the conditioner, it says, there it is. It says Hair VIE conditioner is a carefully selected blend of 21 natural active ingredients, completely free from harsh chemicals and synthetic fillers. Our premium product deep conditions hair while restoring hydration that leaves it soft with a frizz-free shine. Hair VIE conditioner is specifically designed to not only make your hair more manageable, but to give it a healthy, glowing look that you've always wanted. I always like a conditioner that keeps my hair really nice and silky and shiny, and I really like that because like my hair feels really dry and it's just, I don't know, it's not movable, it's not bouncy, it's just like bleh. It's boring. But yeah, I've used the conditioner and shampoo for a while now, and my hair has got a lot better. And yeah, it's just really dirty and it's a little dry from the dry shampoo. It's like a lot of product in it. It tells you all the ingredients on the side right here. The ingredients are mostly the same, but yeah, you get the gist of it. You could just pause it and read the ingredients if you want, if it's in focus. I hope it's in focus. But yeah, that's a lot of ingredients. And of course, I'm going to use the hair mask too, actually, because I use this once a week, because I wash my hair at least once or twice a week because I have fashion colors, but I mean, you can tell it's really faded right now, which I need to pull some color through. So I might actually do that too, add some color through that. So I'm going to use the hair mask too after I condition. I'm actually going to put my conditioner and actually put this on top of it just to make it absorb it a little bit more, you know. For the hair mask, you really want to use this one like once a week, really. So we're gonna wash this dirty ass hair and I'll be right back. I just washed my hair, so I just blow dried it too, and I sprayed the leave-in conditioner and sprayed this when my hair is damp, and I'll blow dry this out, but I would comb it through just to make sure it's evenly distributed throughout my hair. And I'm going to read y'all the back. And it says the Hair VIE number 77 leave-in conditioner is a carefully selected blend of 5 all-natural active ingredients, all entirely free of harsh chemicals and synthetic fillers. This premium conditioning product is designed to strengthen and nourish the hair while leaving a soft, lightweight feel. My hair does feel soft. It's a little fluffy right now, so my glasses keep slipping off. I'm about to go change it to the other ones. I don't even know why I switched them out, so we're just going to go back to these because those are aggravating me from slipping my nose. So here's the hair serum. This is the Polish, Protect, and Tame serum. This is like a lightweight serum, so it keeps the hair soft and shiny. Got the frizziness and just get it nice and shiny and soft and all that. Apply it to my fingertips, kind of to my fingertips. Just a few drops. I'm just gonna emulsify in my hands and just kind of rub it through my hair, mostly in the ends because you don't want it on your roots because you don't want your hair to be oily. And I just kind of like to brush it with my fingers and lightly through my bangs, just like that. And this shit smells so fucking good. Like, oh my god, my hair's gonna smell fresh. Good. Can't forget about the hair vitamins. So a while back I googled what are the best hair vitamins, whatever, and this popped up as #1 out of like a lot of vitamins. And of course I had the Sugar Bear hair vitamin, which I thought it was like right behind me, but it's not. But guess what number they placed? Top 7, but it's like, it's pretty below there. This was #1, the Sugar Bear was #7. So, and plus the Sugar Bear had like all those fillers and all this stuff, and this is completely all free of that. So, and the good thing is cruelty free. If y'all, since all you vegan lovers like cruelty free stuff, this is cruelty free. No synthetic, all that synthetic stuff in it, all those fillers. It was all natural ingredients. You use well, 2 pills a day, 1 in the morning and 1 at night. And of course, this is a 30-day supply. It has 60 capsules in this little bottle. And I've been using mine for a while. What is it for a while? It's been for a month now. My hair was like, I mean, it's still pretty short. Like, you can't tell till like about 3 months. You could tell a difference with the hair growth. But right now, y'all probably can't tell, but I know my hair grew a little bit. Of course, you can tell with my roots. My hair obviously grew. I really like the vitamins. I'm so glad I got these. Like, if you want some really good ones, get your hands on this. And if you want some like money off of it, just use my discount code. I'll just put the code right here somewhere. Because if I say, y'all not gonna know how to spell it, so I'm just gonna have it somewhere down here. I really like my hair color right now. It's so pretty. And this stuff smells so good. Like, the whole entire line just smells amazing. Y'all need to just try it. Just trust me. Just trust me. Y'all will like it. Your hair will like it. Your hair will love you for buying this stuff. So, y'all need to get it. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if y'all enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on all my other social media. I'll have that all down there somewhere. It'll pop up. Of course, it'll be in the description box down below, and I'll have the discount code down there below and the link to the website to all these amazing products. I'm telling y'all, you need to try it. It's so good. Like, it really saved my hair. I've used so many products. Like, I'm a hairdresser, and I've used plenty of hair products, and trust me, this stuff works. Like, I could tell a difference in quick. Like, my hair looks smooth right now, even though I didn't flat iron it yet, and it's just blow dried, and look at that, it's pretty. It's all nice and fluffy. But yeah, anyways, so y'all need to get your hands on this stuff, because I'm just going to keep telling y'all to get it. And of course, I have a 40% off discount code, so y'all need to check that out. Well, up to 40% off on the site. Scratch that. Let me correct myself. Up to 40% off on the site. So don't forget to use that discount code and buy these products. Y'all would love me. So yeah, get it. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.